Okay, here is the vitamins from Swanson's, right? What did I buy? Alright, I bought some fiber aid, okay? I bought some Swanson, right? I bought some ashwagandha, okay? And of course, whenever I buy things, for some reason I like to buy two. I bought some COQ10, okay? And then I also bought some Lion's Made. This is the vitamin haul I bought that I'm going to try to implement into supplementing my desire for good health. Thank you for watching. Okay? This is to help me be fuller. This is for heart health. This is for, gosh, I am going to have to look these up again because when I was buying them, I just knew this is what I wanted. This was supports joints. Okay, supports joints. Ashwagandha, this one here, what does it do? Promotes feeling of calm and relaxation. Yes, need a lot of that. This one here, Lion's Made, supports balance, mental, and overall health. Hell yeah. CQ10, what does this one do? Helps with cellular energy protection, yes. And fiber aid, this feeds the bacteria in your intestine. Okay, so there it is. That's another plan to be incorporated on my weight loss journey.